Hey guys!
Hey, what's up? So we just wanted to hop on here and give you kind of a life update on what's been going on in our life, and recently it has been an emotional roller coaster.
Yes, for those of you who don't know, our dogs Ziggy and Kissy both passed away within the span of a couple months.
Now our house is super empty. We miss them dearly, and we've just been kind of in a place where we just don't know what to do. It almost feels like it's not real, or we're living in an alternate reality.
Like we're living somebody else's life is what it feels like.
Yeah, so it's been really hard for us to just get back into the flow of things and just get back into normal life, because what we know of normal life doesn't exist anymore. And so we're trying to figure out, life again. And so with it just being us three and going from 3 dogs to just 1 dog, it's really put a tear in our life.
Not only has it been hard for me and Brandon, but it's been really hard for Koi. Even though she's struggling, she's a fighter in a sense of she tries to make the best out of every single day, which is awesome. So the thing is, she is a dog's dog. So we have been trying our hardest to get her with friends, take her camping. We've been just making sure that she is distracted, still having the best life, and I just want to keep her as happy as possible.
So we've kind of been talking and trying to decide on what to do or how to move forward in this.
We have been kind of toying with the idea of either fostering a dog, adopting a dog. We didn't want it to be too soon, and we just didn't want to rush the process, even though we know Koi really wants something. We're still hurting and healing, and that's just a big thing to take on. Over the past couple weeks, we've been really searching for a new light in our lives, something to really focus on, and we really felt like we are at the point where we're comfortable inviting a new family member into our home.
We both decided that we are going to grow this little family of 3 again and
make it a family of 4.
So we are
officially adopting
a new puppy.
We actually met this puppy when we were volunteering in Puerto Rico. While we were down there with one of the animal shelters, they had a fresh litter of puppies, and there were so many puppies down there, but there was this one dog that for some odd reason I just knew something
cling to it.
I just knew she was special, and there was a huge litter of puppies, and she just stood out, and I knew. I made him hold her. Like, I was like, you're holding this puppy. Like, something about her was just so special.
There was something about this puppy that Sarah was just so drawn to, and she just wouldn't stop talking about her.
And it wasn't an option at that point. Like, I knew we weren't going to get her because we already had 2 dogs. I was still healing from Ziggy, and so no part of me knew we would ever actually get her or have that as an option. But with everything happening when we got back, it almost was like a situation where this door opened, and I was like, maybe this was what her purpose was.
As soon as we started talking about or bringing up the idea of adopting a dog, I was like, I know which one it's gonna be, because
really?
Yes, because I've never seen you drawn to a dog so much and talk about a dog so much.
So with all that said and the excitement building, we are actually picking her up today.
She is on a flight from Puerto Rico to America as we speak.
I want to get some things moved around and situated for her to come and be comfortable. So we're going to do that together.
Should probably get started.
That's pretty good. Yeah, I think we have like 2.5 hours.
Let's go. This shouldn't be this whole one. Yeah, here we go. Okay.
Ed.
Go and try it out.
Cute. Thank you, girl.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Let's go to dinner. I'm starving.
So we're gonna head to dinner first, and then after dinner, hopefully they will be landed, and we'll just go straight from the airport from there and pick up our new pup.
I'm so excited. I can't believe it's happening today.
Hi.
I can't wait to hold my puppy.
Let's eat first. I'm starving.
Gotta eat and pick a name.
I feel like you've already picked a name.
Okay, yeah. Brandon doesn't like any of my names that I picked, and they're so cute.
One of the names is Poppy.
Poppy, like poppy seed. Oh my god, everybody loves that one's everyone's #1 favorite. And then Fern and Sprout in June are their next favorite. This one?
Yep.
I was really craving refried beans.
How's your drink?
Spicy. Like very spicy.
It's a jalapeno margarita.
It's making me sweat. Yeah, she wasn't kidding.
So we have yet to decide on a name. Go ahead and read out your list.
All right, let me read out my list. It's freaking adorable. So we have Poppy, like the poppy flower, poppy seed.
Can't do that one.
Why?
Because that's what we call our stepdad. It's Poppy.
But I love it. Like, I love it. She's like a little flower. We have Acorn, which is just cute.
Acorn's cute.
Little acorn. Cricket, also just a little cute. Olive. Rue.
Way too short.
Yeah. How many? You can only have so many nicknames for
Rue.
Rue.
Now it sounds like I'm barking.
Rue. Fern, which I love Fern. Fern is beautiful.
I cannot get down with Fern. It's like Fern.
Yeah, exactly. It's just Fern.
This dog is
It's
like
sweet.
spunky and
She's
fun,
spunky
and Fern is just not that. Sorry.
Beetle, Ravioli. It's
I
actually very
like
cute.
Ravioli.
It's very cute. Sparrow,
Jack Sparrow.
Bug, Finch. I thought Finch was really cool. Toad. I can't get past Mario Kart though. Papaya, which I thought was very cute.
I like papaya.
Sprout, which I love Sprout.
I like Sprout.
Oh, we're getting A+ for that one. And June, like my little June bug or Junie or Junie bee.
Mama June.
Okay. What are your top out of those?
I don't know, but let me give you mine.
No, you don't want to hear his. They're horrific.
All right, Grommet.
Horrible.
That's so cute, but I think that's more of a boy name.
A boy pit bull is Grommet.
What was the other one I liked?
Kevin.
Ooh, yeah, Kevin. I like Kevin. Burlap.
I thought he was joking, and now I think he's serious. And it's really bothering me a lot.
I was just like throwing out words that, in sounds that came to mind. I would just blurt them out loud.
He puts sounds together and then figures out what word that sounds like.
And you just got to say it out loud. It's like brainstorming. She hates all
of them.
I will say Sprout is growing on me.
Sprout is super, super cute. I really like Sprout. We'll see. Let's meet her. Let's see if it sticks.
Yeah.
Very cute.
I think she'll let us know what name fits her.
Yeah. We'll see.
We'll see. All right.
Wish us luck. We're just parked. We're waiting at the airport for our sweet, sweet little girl. We have like 12 minutes before they land. I can't wait. How do you feel?
Really tired, but I'm super stoked.
I'm so tired right now.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm so excited.
All right, so we're about to walk into the airport. They just landed. Got to meet them at the baggage claim. So we're patiently waiting, getting restless, and just looking out for our new doggy.
I cannot freaking wait. I'm freaking out. My heart is going a mile a minute right now.
Just looking for someone with the dog crate. Oh.
Here, I'll pull over here.
Girl,
Girl. Big dude.
look at that little puppy leg.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much.
Welcome home, baby girl. How cute is she? Baby girl. Oh, my heart is so happy. She's a sweet, sweet dog. Oh, babe.
Do you want to come home with us?
Oh, goodness. My first puppy.
Oh my god.
Let's go home so you can pee and drink some water.
Yeah, let's go potty. Look at this wonderful family.
Look at this sweet girl. You smell like a puppy.
Sarah had a nightmare that we arrived here and she turned out to be a Chihuahua.
I was so scared. I like Chihuahuas, but something about it was terrifying to me.
Joy! You're just so pink and cute.
Guys, gotta leave for work.
Watch me, girl. We good, okay? Love you.
Love you. So I have her in there because I took her out. She went number 2, which was awesome, but she will not go number 1 outside to save our lives. And I know she has to go, so she's in here while I make breakfast because I know she's just gonna pee in the house as soon as she has the chance. This is so new to us, but I'm so excited, and honestly, I don't know how to do it, but we're gonna figure this out together. There's just a lot going on here. Okay, get it. Girl. Come on. Good. Wow. Oh, that one's a little tall. I wouldn't go off of that one. Whoa. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Is she just kooky? Whoa. I just put her new collar on. Are you kidding me? Look how freaking cute it is. It has a little flower. It's pretty dark in here, so I don't know if you can see it, but oh my gosh. You just look so beautiful. Oh my gosh. You're not getting none of this. So Miss Ma'am decided that she wanted to jump out of her pen, climb out really, if you will, while I had a meeting. I guess that means I need to return it because it's gonna be useless. But I can't seem to get her to pee outside. She's peed one time outside and that's it. And I cannot get her, excuse me, you. Get a puppy, they said. We're still working on it. Packages! I actually don't know what some of these are. Oh, some of them are Brandon's. We're just gonna open everything. I have some dog stuff in here, so let's hope we got this. Tool stuff, that's Brandon's. It says my name on it, so I'm assuming. Yay! Okay, these are dog pee pads. So my thing is, like, I don't want to have to go through a lot if we need them. I'd rather just be able to wash them. Reduce, reuse, recycle. These are actually really cute. I got them on Amazon. Okay, these are so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? Stop. I love that. I'm assuming it's more van build stuff. Oh, it's just cable, so it's wiring for the van, so. I'm gonna go put these in her pen. Even though she jumps out, we're gonna go decorate it. So I'm gonna leave that just because we have it. Stop, that's so cute. And then I'll have one underneath her food and water bowl. That is so cute.
No strangers to uncertainty. We know too well, there's no guarantees. There's seasons where it all goes right, seasons where it all goes wrong. But I feel like I've known all along. For the rest of forever, it's you and me. In every direction, you're all I see. Yeah, you hung the moon, perfect in my eyes. The light in every room, don't even have to try. With you I'll go wherever, for the rest of forever.